Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming your phone supports NFC and that it's turned on. Go into Settings, enable NFC, and make sure Screen Lock won't block reads. Once done, install a reputable NFC reader app or use the built-in reader. This gives you control over tag formats and permissions. You do this because apps handle raw tag parsing, and disabling battery saver prevents the OS from suspending RFID scans. Now position yourself and the card for the next step. You now align the NFC card with your phone's antenna, typically near the back camera or center, keeping the card within 1 to 2 centimeters. Open the Reader app and choose the correct tag type or generic scan mode so the app knows how to parse payloads. Tap the card softly and hold steady until the app signals a successful read. Make sure you watch for prompts asking permission for access. Granting them lets the app extract UID and data blocks. You finish by examining the captured UID, NDEF records, and any raw payload the app shows. This tells you what the tag stores and how it will be used. Once reviewed, export or copy the data for analysis or integration with other systems. If the read fails, first reposition the card and retry, then verify the app has NFC permissions and supports the tag format. If problems persist, try another reader app or a different device to isolate hardware versus software issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.